What to do? I don't know.
Hey, let's go check that out over there.
Let's go check it out then.
Where the hell you go? I think he went over here then. There you are, mother freaker. Looking for you.
Oh, here I am, motherfucker.
You look so small from up here.
Oh, what you gonna do about it?
I'll push you up there, god damn it. Screw you! Screw you! Why did you do that?
It's a wrap.